If you're an Pinterest user like me and you cannot save on your Pinterest application or on your Chrome website, so how can you solve this type of error in your mobile phone? This is my Android mobile phone and I generally used Pinterest on my application here. You can also use it on your Google Chrome, but application will give you more efficient look or more efficient usage. So let's just open our Pinterest application here and we will try to save a photo in our mobile phone here. This is opening here, and what if I want to save this picture? I will click on it, and here you can see there is an option called save in this on the bottom or between on the screen. Click on the save option, click on the art painting board or any board here, and now you can see this painting is already saved in my gallery. So what if you cannot save this? How can you solve that? Firstly, we just have to check that we have updated our Pinterest application. This problem is mainly happened due to the network connection in your area in your mobile phone. So you just have to refresh your mobile phone from here. So the first step is to put your mobile phone on the flight mode for 2 or 3 seconds and then switch it off. After that, you have to go on your Pinterest application storage and clear all the junk or background virus files from your application like this. Clicking on app info here, click on the storage usage on here and just clear all your data from here, because sometimes this problem happens due to the storage in your mobile phone. There is no enough storage to save the photo in your gallery or save the photo in your Pinterest application. So you just need to clear space on your application here. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.